Okay, here is my pantry. This is January the 9th. And this is what my pantry looks like. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. When I say my pantry is a mess, it's a mess. I've got these 2 shelves that stuff's just thrown on, as you can see. Stuff is stacked here. I've got this little cabinet, and then I have a storage thing here, and then look, lays my air fryer. It's all the way down. So yeah, this has got to be all. I'm going to take everything out. Everything. I still haven't decided if I'm going to paint. I'm still deciding on that, but there we go. This is the before. Okay guys, here is the finished pantry. I did not paint it. I just couldn't. So up at top I have appliances that I don't use very often. I've got my air fryer. I can get it if I want to get it down, but I've not been using it lately. I've got my bread maker. I have my, in the back I have an ice cream maker, and I have a what do you call it, food processor. Then here I got these baskets to store the box stuff in, and then my canned stuff is sitting on white boxes back there. This is my favorite. I put all of my baking stuff in these storage containers and labeled them. The jars are, I have all my different types of vinegar. I didn't realize I had so many kinds of vinegar. I have a lot of vinegar. These are wine bottles that I bought the wine for the bottle. Kept the bottles, and now one has olive oil and one has regular cooking oil. I've got chocolate chips and marshmallows back there. I've got rice in one of these and pasta in the back one, the spaghetti noodles. Then down here I've got dog food. I bought that for the dog food, but that holds dog treats. Cat food. Here's all my spices. I individually filled every one of these and labeled them with all the spices and things. We put these touch lights up because there was not enough lighting in here, so we got lights under the shelves and one on each side. And then I have my aprons in here. This one my mom made. This one Meemaw made, and I'll insert a picture now of all of us when Christmas. Meemaw made everybody an apron. So yeah, I got that apron in here. I got these nicer aprons, and then this one down here is my Paula Deen one that I got signed by Bobby and Jamie Dean when I met them. So that's it. Anyway, that's got cake supply stuff in them, cupcake holders, things like that, and then that's got potatoes in it. So I'm very pleased with how it turned out. I would have loved to have painted it, but I just don't think I could have done it, and not by myself. And Brian did help me some. He installed this spice rack, but yeah, I think it turned out real good. So hope you guys enjoyed this. I will have a link down below. All the containers, the bottles, all these I bought from Amazon, and some other storage items as well. And I'll link them down below. All the pet food things were bought at Amazon. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. And guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.